Racing just is started. We have China Girl break quickly at the start. Moving a party outside. Big Apo. Tora Mark. Aloha in the middle. Pedro Penduko comes next. Love Minstrel. Viva Bola. Then next on that is Security General. Small Town Lady Magleb. And on the outside comes Rising Star Valentine Rose. Second last while Gomarins is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader. We have Tora Mark by about 3 lengths. Love Minstrel in second. Moving a party outside. Pedro Penduko. Big Apo. Aloha in the middle. Viva Bola. Moving a party outside. And as they swing for home, we have Tora Mark by about 2 lengths. Down on the inside. Love Minstrel. Viva Bola is down in third. With about 150 meters more to run. Tora Mark. Love Minstrel is down on the inside. Love Minstrel. Tora Mark. Tora Mark. Love Minstrel. And finally, Love Minstrel. Tora Mark. Then comes Viva Bola. Rising Star. Then comes number 2, Small Town Lady and Magleb for your Super 6.